Hey everybody, let's talk about slicing and dicing an onion. Okay, so the very simple basic Spanish onion here, I've left a little bit of the core so it stays together while I'm dicing. Okay, you've seen this before. Onion down, flat on the cutting board. Use the claw. Okay, I'm gonna cut across first towards the core, and then I'm gonna cut down. This will create the dice. Dice just means squares. If you really wanna go a little more basic, think about making squares and making them efficient, because we're gonna cut across, we're gonna cut down, and then we're going back, and here comes our dice. That's what's beautiful about the layers of onions. You can do this and produce a lot at once. Now don't lose that end. You can cut through it, turn it, and make sure that you use every part. That's the dice. I'm not crying. My little onion friend over here is crying though. And now we're gonna slice. Now for the slices, I take off the core piece. Well, maybe I am crying. Okay. And then I'm just gonna go across this way, okay? You can cut slices this way, but to me, it's prettier and you can get smaller, more even slices going across. Now, this is perfect for caramelized onions, which is one of my favorite things to have in your fridge. You can use it for sandwiches, you can use it for sauces, you can use it in pasta. Just cut a bunch of slices like this, put them in a pan, and they get caramelized. It's easy AF.